Hello again. So a few videos back you'll see that I did a review of this Dydo Toyota 1600 GT, and it's a pretty decent model. So I thought I would just go ahead and get the racing version from the same series. So let's take a look at this today. And I found some information on this. I'm not sure if it's right. I'm just looking up stuff on the internet. But this car number 26 is called the Toyota RTX, and that was the name given to the car before Toyota officially called this the 1600 GT. This car made its racing debut at the Clubman Race Fuji tournament in March 1966. Okay, and I'm back, and so I noticed that the card back on this one is different than the white version of the model. So this one has racing pictures on the back, but it seems like the statistics are all identical. Although it says here 110 horsepower, the internet, that one source I found online, says the race version is said to have 150 horsepower coming out of its engine. So, okay, well here we are. So it wasn't too hard to put together. There's a lot of tension in the front for some reason, but the screw keeps it together. So there are some differences here between the race one and the road model. Obviously, it has no headlights, so it's stripped out for weight. The grille is quite different as well. So here, for comparison, there's no front bumper at all, except for, well, I guess that's the front bumper now. And that's the turn signals are now part of this front end here, whereas here, yeah, I guess they're actually the same. It's just, no, maybe not. I don't know. It seems different. Okay, so even the grille is different. Okay. So the front, the side here, the wheels do look the same. It's just that the race one, they're not chromed. Okay, and then same door handle, same vent on the side, same orange reflector on the side. And then the rear has these, they both have that weird yellow half taillight. I would think those should be orange. Anyways, fake license plate is good. A little more black surrounding this one. And again, no rear bumper to save weight. Okay, so top-wise, that's what you're looking at. So the road version has a lot more work going in it, but if you like race cars, you know, stripped out things, which I do like, so I'm still happy I got this model. And when I look it over, I don't see any sort of paint blemishes. There's no bubbling or, you know, bad casting or anything like that. So it's actually quite good. I'm quite happy with it. It's not as detailed as, you know, modern diecast. You know, you can kind of see the softness here in this vent here, but I'm pretty sure this is a pretty cheap model when it was originally sold, so I'm okay with it. I think it's better than, like, say, a Hot Wheels, because at least it looks realistic in its proportions, and I'm pretty sure it must be to scale. Okay, so anyways, that's what's going on there. Let me pan back up here, and you can compare it to the photo and decide for yourself if you think this is something you want. I'm not sure if I mentioned in the first video, but this yellow is called Beatrix Yellow, and then that's called Pegasus White, and those are the official colors. Also, Wikipedia says it's supposed to look like the 65 Mustang. I'm not sure if they're trying to just copy that car or what. I don't know. Do you guys see any similarities in that between this model and the 65 Mustang? I'm not really sure. Okay, well, I'll leave it at that, and I'll see you in the next one.